Try to work to get some answers from Eastman after yesterday's explosions.
Curtis McLeod has been in constant communication with Eastman officials. He's been also trying to learn more about several reports of black smoke seen looming above the plant this morning.
Still so many unanswered questions tonight. What caused this explosion? What other gases were released into the air? What are state and federal agencies doing about this? Well, right now I can tell you we don't have many clear answers to a lot of those questions. What we do know is that these pictures you see behind me of that black smoke reported this morning at Eastman was the result of restarts happening at the plant. Communication officials tell me that as they work through the restart process of that part of the plant, it can temporarily result in dark smoke from coal-fired boilers there at Eastman. Now, a lot of people still concerned about those emissions. We pressed Eastman officials about this at a press conference yesterday afternoon. Can you talk about what type of emissions were released at this point?
It would generally be emissions associated with the process, so carbon monoxide and hydrogen would be two.
Now, those are just two of the types of emissions that I know you were asking about yesterday at the plant, the hydrogen, the carbon monoxide, but you're trying to find out if there was something else or if there was, and really trying to get a lot of viewer questions answered. Have you heard back from the state?
You know, we haven't heard back from Eastman in regards to specifically more types of gases just yet, but the state did give us a little bit of information, and they told us, this is from TDEC, the Tennessee Department of Environment and Conservation, and they told us here just recently that they are waiting on an incident report from Eastman. As soon as they get that, then they're going to start their investigation, and the part of their investigation will require them to investigate whether or not this incident had any potential impacts on the surrounding environment.
All right, Curtis, thanks so much.
And News Channel 11 will continue to bring you updates on this story as we get them into our newsroom. We'll also have the latest details on our website, WJHL.com.